Hello Land Technique fans, and welcome to our YouTube channel. One of the best kept secrets from the last Agritechnica was the 9S from Massey Ferguson. We were lucky enough to get some exclusive shots of the machine for our YouTube channel before it was presented to the general public in Hanover. But things got really exciting when it got taken out to a field. Again, we are among the first to be allowed to show you the 9S out working in the fields. We hope you enjoy watching this new test drive. This is the largest standard tractor ever manufactured by Massey Ferguson. The manufacturer has introduced the new 9S as a replacement for the outdated 8700S series. We took the top of the range model, the 9S 425, out for a test drive. It has the same generously sized cab that we saw in the 8S. According to Massey Ferguson, in terms of volume, it is the biggest cab on the market right now. Not only does the unique design with the steep, sloping windscreen make the tractor instantly identifiable, it also prevents dust from building up. And thanks to the 18cm gap between the windscreen and the bonnet, limits the transfer of noises and vibrations to the cab. Different versions of the armrest, with its slim drive lever and a range of function buttons, have been used by Massey Ferguson from the 5S onwards. The classic display screen has been moved from the steering post to the right-hand A-frame. The continuously variable Dyna VT transmission, with its 2 speed ranges, has been adopted from its predecessor, the 8700S. However, unlike with the 8S, there is no version of the 9S with a power shift transmission. With 6 models ranging from 285 to 425 horsepower, the 9S easily outstrips the performance of the 8S series. When we filmed this test drive in mid-June 2024, there were only 4 9Ss in existence. But series production should start later this year. The tractor factory in the French town of Beauvais is one of Massey Ferguson's largest. Each year, up to 20,000 tractors with a power range from 95 to 425 horsepower roll off the production line. From here, the tractors are then shipped off to all 4 corners of the globe. For example, when we were shooting our series Agriculture in South America, we saw several 8S tractors in Brazil and Chile. Likewise, when working on our production Agriculture in Australia, we filmed some of the massive tractors at work. If you take a look back at the history of Massey Ferguson, you will see that they also produced a series of articulated tractors with a variety of different power ranges in the USA and Canada in the 60s, 70s and 80s. In part, these tractors were not meant for the European market. We recorded this footage while shooting our 2-part production, Agriculture in Scandinavia, in northern Denmark. Within the AGCO cooperation, the 9S is based on the same large tractor platform as the new Valtra S series, which is currently in production in Finland. You can find our test drive of this tractor on our channel. While the 2 tractors share the same engine and continuously variable transmission, Massey Ferguson has chosen to go in a different direction in some areas, like with the cab and the operating concept. The engine comes from AGCO Power in Finland. The 8.4-litre unit is tried and tested and is also used in the Massey Ferguson Beta combine, as well as several other machines. It is equipped with a simple turbocharger and does not have an exhaust gas recirculation system. The hydraulic output can be set to 340 litres per minute to meet the needs of customers with sophisticated seeding equipment like we often see used in areas of South America, for example. The manufacturer's MF by You program is particularly interesting as it gives customers the opportunity to pick and choose the additional options that they want. This includes the tyre pressure control system from PTG, which is fitted to the tractor in the factory. Massey Ferguson also has several new things to offer when it comes to forage harvesting equipment. During a shoot that took place just 4 weeks ago, we were able to see the new butterfly mower and the extended range of central delivery rakes. All implements are produced in the AGCO factory in Feucht by Nürnberg, which has a long and rich history. During our test drive, we were able to get an initial impression of what it is like to drive the new 9S. A few things, like the coordination of the engine and transmission, have been adjusted again. And the rear mudguards are not the ones that will be used during series production. In terms of software, functions like the auto-turn headland management will be available for the start of series production. We are looking forward to getting the tractor in front of our cameras under slightly more challenging conditions soon. If you enjoyed watching this test drive video, then why not check out our test drive playlist on our channel. It includes lots more videos featuring tractors and harvesting machines from different manufacturers. You can find more information about our documentaries on agriculture and agricultural machinery around the world on our website, farmworld.com.